Even stars. So today our balance activity is going to be odd and even balance rollers. So we're going to be working on a couple things. We're going to be working on balancing, but we're also going to be working a little bit of math and knowing what our odd numbers are and what our even numbers are. So the way this works is you need the paper that says odd and even balance rollers. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can print it out if you would like. You do not have to. I did not print it out because one, my printer is just not working and I couldn't get it to work. Two, you could just have it on your screen as you do this. That's what I do, and I'll show you how I do that. And then, or if you would want to, and you're feeling a little bit of artistic, you could also draw it out on a piece of paper. And you're also going to need a dice. So I have this big foam dice. You can use a small like white dice, which probably most of us might have in a game board somewhere. Or if you cannot find a dice, that is perfectly okay. You can just take small pieces of paper, scrap paper, something in the recycling, and write 1 through 6 on there because that's how many numbers are on a dice, and just pick the pieces of paper. So our odds and even paper looks like this. I have it on another screen. I'm going to show you. So I have mine because I couldn't print it out on this other screen. Most of you would probably just have it on your computer screen, and that's fine. I needed a double screen because I'm filming. So what's going to happen is I'm going to roll my dice. If I land on an odd number, I have to balance with 1 point of balance. So that means I have one body part on touching the ground. That could be a foot, that could be a hand. I'm going to suggest that it's not your head because I don't want you to get hurt. And our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So those are our odd numbers. Odd means we balance on one point of balance, meaning one of our body parts is touching the ground and only one. Our even numbers, 2, 4, 6, and 8, are going to be 2 points of balance, meaning 2 of our body parts are touching the ground. So that might mean I have a hand and a foot. It could mean I'm in warrior pose. I have 2 feet on the ground. That's sort of a balance with bending forward. So this activity actually allows you to be a little bit more creative with your balance poses. I'm going to show you very quickly, and then I'm going to let you get started. So again, I roll my dice, and I get a 5. So I'm going to move 5 spots on my board. It's over here. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a 9. 9 is an odd number, meaning I need to balance on 1 point of balance. So I'm going to put 1 foot down on the ground, and I'm actually going to go like this. And I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Put my foot back down on the ground. I'm going to roll my dice again. I roll my dice. I got 4. I'm going to go over to my game board where I already was, and I'm going to move 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got an 8. An 8 is an even number, so that means I get to have 2 points of balance. I'm going to put my hand and my foot both on the ground like this, and I'm going to balance for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to stand up and roll my dice. You just keep making your way through the board. You can do it by yourself. You could do it with a partner. Hope you have fun.